As we all know na kapag sinabi po nating average, it is simply the result when we add all the numbers in a set and divided by the total number of numbers in a set. So let's say for example, if we have the numbers 5, 6, and 4, then get the sum. So 5 plus 6 plus 4, and that is simply equal to 15. Then, i-divide lang po natin kung ilan sila. So since tatlo sila, so this is divided by 3. And the answer is equal to 5. So itong 5, ito yung tinatawag na average. Now, observe nyo po, itong ating average, kapag i-multiply po natin ito dito sa 3, babalik siya sa 15, tama? So halimbawa lang po yan. Now, balik na po tayo dito sa ating problem. Sabi dito, the average age of a group of 5 people is 30. So ibig sabihin pala nito, kapag i-multiply natin itong average na 30 dito sa 5, that is equal to 150. Now, we can say that the total sum of the ages of these 5 people is simply 150. Okay, hold on. Punta muna tayo sa ating second premise. Sabi dito, a sixth